Srimatre Namaha. Sri Maharagni is the second Nama in Sri Lalita Sahasranamam. Sri Maharagni means Queen of Queens, the Empress. Lalita Mata is the greatest queen of all the universes. The first Nama talks about her creation, whereas the second Nama talks about her power of sustenance. As she is the Paramatma, she resides in each and every being. She sustains all the universes and inner components of the bodies created by Panchamahabhutas. To run the universes and life of all beings, Sri Maharagni formulated laws and rules which we call the law of nature. So this law of nature cannot be violated by anyone. The main purpose of these laws and rules is all children can walk on the right path and know their mother. Mother means here Mother Lalitambika.